When the world is chaotic and the mood is irregular, our hearts inevitably feel shaken. However, inner peace is the starting point for all changes. Through understanding and compassion, we can find the outlet of light in the darkest moment and bring this peace into every thought and every moment. Maybe you are feeling pain, anxious, or confused about the future, but please believe that the seeds of peace have long been deeply rooted in your heart and waiting to be awakened. Every moment of life is full of challenges. Maybe we can't change the external wind and rain, but we can choose how to treat our inner self. Settling the mind in the present is the key to finding inner stability. When we find the rhythm of breathing in the turmoil and realize the impermanence of life, we can let go of persistence and maintain an unwavering heart in the face of difficulties. This kind of power to settle in the present is not only a good way to heal one's own pain, but also the foundation for people to rebuild their inner peace. Through this settlement, we learn to accept and find our own peaceful harbor in every moment. Compassion is to shine the light of the soul on every moment and give oneself and others unconditional tolerance and care. This compassion is not only an expression of love, but also a powerful support in the face of adversity. True compassion is like a lighthouse that can lead us back in the dark. When we face the shadow of our heart with compassion, whether it is fear, resentment, or loss, we can find an outlet in compassion and transform it into gentle power, so that we can move forward firmly in the dark. This kind of compassion not only illuminates our hearts, but also gives us a warm influence on others. A soft heart is the strongest heart. With flexibility and rigidity, the softness of the heart can help us learn to bend without bending in difficulties and adapt without losing ourselves. When we treat ourselves and the ups and downs of life softly, we can grow up in tribulations and have a broader mind. No matter what difficulties we encounter, when we keep a soft heart, we can learn to transform pain and find the way to wisdom. In this softness, we see ourselves, accept ourselves, and prepare for everything in the future. The power of the soul is infinite. When we deeply explore the truth of our heart, we can have enough strength to overcome all difficulties. Inner harmony is not an overnight thing, but you need to constantly adjust yourself in each thought and face unknown challenges with courage and compassion. Just like although the waves are undulating, the essence of the ocean is still peaceful. No matter what the external storm is, our hearts have the ability to overcome all obstacles and lead us to find our inner freedom. This inner strength will become our most powerful pillar in the dark. Pain is not a punishment, but a way for us to see the other side of our hearts. The root of suffering comes from our persistence and ignorance. When we learn to let go of obsession, the inner light will appear naturally. Every loss and every separation in life reminds us that only when we let go of what we want can the space of our hearts become wider. When you have nothing to ask for in your heart, you can accept the passage of every moment truthfully, whether it is joy or sadness, and face it with a normal heart. This piece of relief is the deepest strength we can find in pain.